The design of the GMC HUMMER EV pickup truck has leaked in an ad ahead of the unveiling event later today. GM is preparing to unveil the GMC HUMMER EV, which it describes as an electric supertruck, tonight at 8 p.m. ET. The automaker has been teasing the vehicle for months with video and teaser images, but we haven't got a full look at the electric pickup's design until now. We've now got our first look at the exterior design of the vehicle thanks to an ad that has leaked ahead of the event. GM has apparently prepared an ad to promote GMC HUMMER EV reservations, and the media content has leaked on the forums. Here's a screenshot of the ad via the HUMMER chat forum. The ad does mention that the vehicle shown is simulated and that actual production model may vary, but that doesn't mean that it's not the design of the vehicle, just that it's not an actual picture. Electric's Seth Weintraub, who saw the HUMMER EV prototype at GM's EV Day earlier this year, says that the vehicle is very similar to what he saw that day. It is definitely a Hummer. GM has also released a list of features for the new electric pickup truck. 1,000 horsepower, 11,500 pound-feet of torque, open-air infinity roof, modular sky panels, 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration in 3 seconds. Adrenaline mode, crab mode, Ultium battery, super fast charging, next-gen Super Cruise Ultravision camera. Electric's take: obviously, this is not for everyone. It is a massive truck. It's likely going to be expensive and not really efficient. But it has the potential to be cool enough to convince people who buy these kind of trucks to go electric. It will be interesting to see how it plays out.